Good morning, dear friends. Welcome to this guided meditation by My Journey Studio. This morning, we're going to center yourself for a powerful day ahead using gentle breathing and golden light visualization. Find a comfortable seated position. You may close your eyes or soften your gaze downward. Take a moment to find your center, aligning the crown of your head over your pelvis. Notice what's present for you this morning without any judgment. How does your body feel? What's the quality of your breath? Let's take 3 gentle breaths to welcome this new day. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale through your mouth, releasing anything from yesterday. Again, breathing in fresh morning energy and exhaling, letting go. One more time, inhaling clarity and exhaling into stillness. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine. Imagine a sphere of golden light resting there. As you inhale, see this light traveling up the center of your body to the crown of your head. Pause here, holding your awareness in this golden light. As you exhale, let the light descend back down to the base of your spine. Continue with your natural breath rhythm. Inhale, light rises to your crown. Pause. Exhale, light flows down to your base. Inhale, light rises to your crown. Pause. Exhale, light flows down to your base. This golden light is cleansing any stagnant energy, creating clarity and ease within you. Inhale, light rises to your crown. Pause. Exhale, light flows down to your base. At your next inhale, pause the light between your eyebrows. Rest your awareness in this clear space. From here, set an intention for your day. How do you want to feel? What energy will you bring? Perhaps, may I move through this day with presence and grace? Hold this intention in the golden light. Bring awareness back to your breath and the support beneath you. Keep this golden light glowing in your heart. This is your inner clarity and power. Bring palms together at your heart and bow your head. Thank yourself for this practice. When you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a few deep breaths. And gently open your eyes. Wishing you a bright and centered day. Sending you love and light. Namaskar.